Contracts in daily life. Are you aware of the contracts you engage with daily? From buying groceries to employment, contracts are everywhere. Let's delve into the principles and classifications of contract law. A contract is an agreement between two or more parties, enforceable by law. It is a voluntary agreement that defines the rights and obligations of the involved parties. Contracts are integral to everyday transactions, like buying groceries or employment. Contract law governs these agreements, ensuring their validity and interpretation. Understanding contracts is crucial for navigating legal obligations. Contract formation begins with an offer, such as money for goods or services. The offer must be communicated to the other party, who can accept or reject it. Acceptance leads to a formal agreement, while rejection can result in a counteroffer. A valid contract requires an agreement, intention to create legal relations, and consideration. Contracts don't need to be written except for property sales. A contract exists once an offer is accepted and consideration is exchanged. Conditional contracts become enforceable when conditions are met. Legal bindingness is rooted in these fundamental elements. An enforceable contract must have clear terms. If key terms are unsettled, the contract may not be valid. Courts may infer terms for business efficacy but won't rewrite bad bargains. Consensus ad idem. Or agreement on identical terms is vital. Unclear terms can render a contract unenforceable. Contract formation involves offer, acceptance, consideration, intention, and form. These elements ensure a valid contract. Each step is crucial in establishing a legal agreement. Understanding these principles helps in creating enforceable contracts. Proper formation is the foundation of contract law. Contract contents include express and implied terms. Express terms are clearly stated, while implied terms arise from conduct. Both types ensure clarity in agreements. Contract terms define the rights and duties of parties. Understanding terms is essential for contract enforcement. Contracts can end through expiration, termination, vitiation, or frustration. Each method affects the contract's enforceability. Expiration occurs when the contract term ends. Termination may happen by mutual agreement or breach. Understanding contract end methods is vital for legal compliance. Damages or compensation for contract breaches. Remedies include specific performance and injunctions. Courts aim to restore parties to their original position. Understanding remedies helps in seeking justice for breaches. Legal remedies ensure fairness in contract enforcement. Contracts can be express, implied, or quasi. Express contracts have clear terms while implied arise from conduct. Quasi-contracts are created by law to prevent unjust enrichment. Each type has unique characteristics. Understanding formation types aids in contract classification. Bilateral contracts involve mutual promises, while unilateral involve one promise for an act. Bilateral contracts are common in business transactions. Unilateral contracts require performance for acceptance. Each type has distinct legal implications. Knowing these differences is crucial for contract parties. Executed contracts are fully performed, while executory have pending obligations. Execution status affects contract enforceability. Parties must fulfill obligations for contract validity. Understanding these types aids in legal compliance. Execution determines the contract's current state. Valid contracts meet all legal requirements, while void ones do not. Void contracts lack enforceability due to deficiencies. Validity depends on factors like consent and legality. Understanding validity ensures legal protection. Avoiding void contracts is crucial for enforceable agreements. Voidable contracts can be annulled by affected parties, while unenforceable lack legal formalities. Voidable contracts arise from issues like fraud or incapacity. Unenforceable ones need correction for validity. Knowing these distinctions aids in legal strategy. Parties must address defects for enforceability. Illegal contracts have unlawful purposes, rendering them void. Courts won't enforce illegal agreements. Differentiating between illegal intent and performance errors is crucial. Innocent parties may seek remedies for performance errors. Understanding legality is key in contract formation. Mistakes can render contracts voidable, affecting enforceability. Misrepresentations involve false statements impacting consent. Both issues undermine contract validity. Correcting errors is essential for legal compliance. Parties must ensure accurate information for valid contracts. Minors can enter contracts but may void them before adulthood. This protects minors from exploitation. Contracts with minors require careful consideration. Legal capacity affects contract enforceability. Understanding these rules aids in dealing with minor contracts. Fraud involves deception, voiding contracts. Undue influence coerces consent, impacting validity. Both undermine free will in agreements. Legal remedies address these issues. Awareness of fraud and influence is crucial for contract integrity. Duress involves threats affecting contract validity. Unconscionable dealing exploits power imbalances. Both issues render contracts voidable. Addressing these concerns ensures fairness. Legal protection is vital against coercive practices. Implied terms arise from conduct or necessity, not written words. Courts may infer terms for business efficacy. Implied terms ensure contract completeness. They address gaps and express agreements. Understanding implied terms aids in contract interpretation. In conclusion, contract law governs agreements, ensuring their validity and enforceability. Understanding its principles and classifications supports legal compliance. From formation to enforcement, contracts shape our daily transactions. Thank you for watching this video.